So I'm going to show you how to install apps from unknown sources on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now these are also called APK files. They're basically Android apps that are not available in the Google Play Store or the Samsung Galaxy Store. So you find them in one way or another, and then before you install them, you need to enable that option. So if you go into settings, and then under settings, you go to security and privacy, tap on that. The first thing you need to do is disable auto blocker. Now, if this is on, it's not going to allow you to install any apps. And of course, that setting is password protected, and you need to put in your password to be able to disable auto blocker. Now, the other thing you can do is go to more security settings, and then under that, you should see the option allow, or rather install unknown apps. So tap on that, and then depending on how you want to install the unknown app, you enable that specific function. So if someone sends it to you via WhatsApp, you can enable on WhatsApp. If someone sends it to you via Gmail, or if that APK file is in your Google Drive, or you've just downloaded it from Chrome and you want to install it directly, or maybe it's in the downloads folder of your Files app, you enable the way it is. I mean, depending on where it's saved, and then you can go and tap on that file and it's going to allow you to install it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.